Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Drive because you need a destination. Once signed in, click New, then File Upload or Folder Upload, and pick what to save. Make sure to create or choose a logical folder before uploading so items land where you expect them. This saves time later and prevents duplicates. As you upload, watch the progress indicator. If a file fails, retry immediately. Organize now so recovery and sharing are simple later. Once your files are in Drive, install Drive for desktop or backup, and sync to keep local folders mirrored to Google. This ensures continuous protection without manual uploads. Make sure to enable Google Photos backup if you want images preserved. Choose original or storage saver quality depending on space. Next, open Preferences and select only the folders you need to sync to control disk use and bandwidth. If you expect large transfers, limit upload speed temporarily to avoid network issues. To finish, secure and verify your saved data so it's useful and protected. Set sharing permissions carefully, viewer, commenter, or editor, and use link expiration for temporary access. Enable two-step verification to protect the account and turn on offline access for critical files. Finally, check version history and perform a test restore to confirm backups work. Downloading one or restoring a previous version proves recoverability. If something goes wrong, use the restore or activity log to pinpoint and revert changes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.